Hi, my name is Roman. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about photography. Photography is all about capturing light. It is the process of using a camera to create images that tell stories, evoke emotions, and freeze moments in time. The power of composition. A crucial element of photography is composition. By carefully arranging the visual elements in a frame, photographers can guide the viewer's eye and create a powerful and compelling image. The beauty of photography lies in its ability to unleash your creativity. Through experimentation, pushing boundaries, and thinking outside the box, you can capture truly unique and breathtaking images. Mastering light and exposure. Light is the essence of photography. Understanding how to manipulate light and manage exposure allows photographers to capture the mood and atmosphere they desire. Sharing and inspiring others. Photography is not only about personal expression, it is also a means of connecting with others. By sharing your photographs, you can inspire, provoke emotions, and spark conversations. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something from this video. There will be a series of photography lessons in this channel. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.